How to sort heroes in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort the heroes. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply select settings. Now here, we are in the settings interface. Here on the left, you'll be able to see different options. Simply select on in match. Now slowly scroll down to the bottom part. Here on the right, you can see picking phase hero sorting. So here you can sort the heroes by two different methods, name or proficiency. So here you can select any one of these. Now you'll be able to sort it in your vault and you will be able to sort it and even select them accordingly. So it's a feature you can use in order to level up or to categorize the ranking of heroes. Now if you go back, it's all set now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you